Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the review channel. Today we're going to talk about buying items at thrift stores and what do you do with it and how do you sell it. So we have here some plates that we picked up. A set of 4 plates we got, and it's a good name actually. I'll show you. And so a couple questions people have is how do you get the stickers off and how do you get these permanent marks off, and they mark everything. It's a set of 4 of these, 2 cereal bowls and 2 dinner plates, and we paid $5.99, and we had a 30% off coupon. So how do we get this off? So I use a heat gun. There's a heat gun, and you can control the temperature with this heat gun, so it's not too hot. You don't want to crack the glass, but you also don't want to take forever to get something off. So I like the variable speed heat gun, the variable temperature, so you can control it. And let's see how we can do that. See if I can hold this and do it at the same time. Not going to be easy, but I keep my heat on medium. Let's see what we got here. And what we want to do is just loosen up the gum in the back of the sticker, basically. Just go slow, and it comes right off. So that's how you get rid of that. Now the other cool trick I have for you is how do you get these permanent marks off. It can be very difficult. So a lot of people use, you can use Glue Gun, you can use all kinds of different items, but I like the dry eraser. This is a used one. Take the dry eraser, sorry for the moving so much, put a little water on it, okay? And then you just kind of give it a little wipe. Needs more water. A little more water. Take it down. Don't be afraid to scrub it out. It'll come right off. Yeah, they can be difficult. These can be really hard to get off, depending on the mark and how long they've been sitting on that item for. It's not worth it. You gotta be able to get it. Gotta get those out. But they do come off, and you can use this on anything. You can use them on shoes. You can use them on anything. They take them right off. So that's gone. Another one over here. Yeah, that's it right there. You just go around, just keep working it. They do come off. And that is my little tip for the day. So how to get off a sticker and how to get off permanent marker on dishes, clothing, all kinds of stuff. It's the dry eraser does the best job. It really does. You have to work at it, but it does come off. Any questions or comments, please leave below. Pass the video on to your friends and family. Let me know what you think, and I appreciate it. And thank you for watching another episode of the Review Channel. Have a great day.